Now that you have your sod, it's important to remember that your grass is a living, viable plant. Once your grass is installed, it's important to give it a good soak. We recommend that at least 2 to 3 inches below the sod stays damp. For the first couple of weeks after installation, you'll want to water your grass every day. If temperatures are higher, you'll want to water it probably 2 to 3 times a day. You'll want to continue that watering regimen until the grass starts to take root. To know when your sod is rooted, lightly pull on the corner of a piece of sod. If there's tension, you know that it's started to take root. Once you can no longer lift a piece of sod, consider it a fully established mature lawn. Once established, we recommend your sod receive 1 inch of water per week. To measure, you can use a simple container such as a tuna can or a rain gauge to measure exactly how much water you're putting out. When mowing, you'll want to make sure that your blades are sharp to get a nice clean cut. This reduces potential disease. In addition, you'll also save money on fuel costs. When mowing, save yourself some time and leave the clippings on your grass. This will return nutrients to the soil and reduce your fertilizer requirements. For further maintenance, it's recommended that you get a soil test done every 2 to 3 years. When fertilizing cool season grasses such as tall fescue or Kentucky bluegrass, the rule of thumb is to fertilize around Valentine's Day, Labor Day, and Halloween. When fertilizing warm season grasses such as Bermuda, Centipede, Zoysia, and St. Augustine, fertilize in the summer months. When fertilizing warm season turf, you'll want to make sure it's in the warm growing active season after the last frost. For more tips and resources, you can visit our website at ncsod.org.